maker wanted to make an appearance. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm really excited to do this video because for today's video, we're doing a Trader Joe's haul. It is fall time, so the ice maker really is out here, y'all. Anyway, if you don't have an ice maker, you need to get one. I'll leave mine in the description. It was so affordable and I absolutely love it. Anyway, so today's video we're doing a Trader Joe's haul. For me, Trader Joe's is one of those places that I like to go like once a month for seasonal items, for extras, frozen foods, snacks, things like that. I like to do the bulk of my grocery shopping at ShopRite or like a regular supermarket just because it's cheaper and I can get the brand names that I like, that I'm used to, like Hellmann's, you know, for my ketchup. So I get my produce, my condiments, my poultries, milk, things like that from a regular supermarket, but I like to get seasonal items, frozen food, snacks, and fun stuff from Trader Joe's. It's definitely more of an aesthetic place to shop. But now that it's fall, I've asked you guys what you wanted to see, and a lot of you wanted to see food stuff. So I thought this kind of falls into that category. So I want to share with you some of the awesome things I picked up for the season. If you are someone who's interested in pumpkin spice everything, very Instagrammable things, I have all of the goodies to show you. So I'm very excited. Let's jump into it. So of course, if you go to Trader Joe's, you probably will see these. Definitely pick these up. These are the little baby pumpkins. They come in like white and different shades. You can get the regular orange ones. I really love this one here because it has a beautiful white and orange pattern. So pretty, and I love these for decor. They're just like the perfect little pumpkins, and they're cheaper than if you went to a pumpkin patch. So definitely pick these up if you see them at your Trader Joe's. So of course, I always pick up fresh flowers, and I will say I'm not the biggest fan of Trader Joe's fresh flowers. I think that they die faster than the ones I get from my supermarket, but these look pretty good and they were really affordable, and they also had a bunch of different fall ones. If you're someone who really likes sunflowers and things like that, they do have those. They also have like fall bundles, really beautiful. I wish I had a video to show you. I'll try to find something similar to show you what I'm talking about here, but I just went with the classic red. I think that these work for all times of year, so I had to pick up roses. I talked about in one of my recent videos about how to be elegant on a budget. Picking up grocery store flowers is part of that, and it's just a part of my routine. They're super affordable. These are $8, and for a week's worth of fresh flowers, they're definitely worth it for me. All right, so let's get into these bags. There's so many goodies. I can't wait to show you. So this is one of the things that I've already picked up when the season started. It's this French pumpkin brioche toast. I love this. This I think was like $3 or so. Yeah, I'm not sure how much it was, but I absolutely love this brioche. It is not as sweet as a typical brioche. It definitely has more of a pumpkin spice. If I look over there, sorry, it's my dogs. They're over there. Hi, this is Kal-El. Say hi to the peoples. He's a good boy. I love this toast because it is really nice and delicious. It has this really fun and delicious like cinnamon coating on it. And if you know brioche, it is just so yummy and just perfect for fall. Really recommend this with just some butter, or this is another thing I picked up from the last time I went to Trader Joe's. So this I just grabbed from my fridge, but I definitely recommend this as well. The cinnamon bun spread. Oh my god, this stuff is so freaking good. You can mix it with cream cheese for your like waffles, or for the brioche toast, or for a bagel. It is so good. You can put it on ice cream, you can put it on waffles. Oh my god, it's so delicious. This is what it looks like. So I would really recommend this if you love the taste of the seasons and you want that fall yumminess. Grab this. So these two together make such a delicious treat, or sometimes I'll just eat it for breakfast with my coffee, and it is just amazing. I feel like I'm in Paris. I love it. Of course, I picked up strawberries, regular stuff. I picked up this medley of grapes, which I know it's just grapes, but I actually have never seen this, and I love this because normally I'll pick up 2 types of grapes, and this has all 3 types of grapes that I am obsessed with. They're seedless, and you get it in one container. Genius. Love. Next, I know it's a lot of bread, but I had to get the pumpkin spice bagels. I love, love, love these. Again, something I only get this time of year. A treat as a snack or a lunch, a breakfast. I also got the pumpkin cream cheese spread, which is in another bag. I'll show you that in a second, but you have to try with the cream cheese. Oh my god, so good. I also love these. Now these are not seasonal, you can get these all the time, but if you haven't tried them, I love them. These are the bite-sized Belgian chocolate crispy cookies. These remind me a lot of like the The ones in the bag from Pecans Farm, I forgot what they're called, but you guys know what I'm talking about. They remind me of those a lot, and I absolutely love them. And I love that they're smaller, and they're just so good. They're very like wafer thin, and they're just chef's kiss. Next for seasonal items, I have these cider donuts. These are apple cider donuts from Trader Joe's. They're old-fashioned cake donuts with apple cider and cinnamon sugar. So excited for these. I can't. Very excited. They're very fattening, but again, a treat for this time of year. I love cider donuts. It's one of those things that you get every time you go pumpkin picking or apple picking. So I'm really excited to try these. I'm probably gonna put them in the microwave or the air fryer just to get them nice and toasty. Again, a perfect treat after dinner with some tea, or in the morning with your coffee. I love them for this time of year. Actually, the guy who was checking me out, he was like, oh my god, so excited that they brought these back. They must have just put them out, so I must have gotten lucky. Next seasonal items I picked up are these little hot chocolate stirrers. I've actually never tried these before. I don't know if they're new, but I've actually never seen them. So they're these little like wooden spoons that have a little chocolate and mini marshmallows, and you just dip them into your hot milk and they make hot chocolate. I got a couple of them to see how they work and see if they taste good. Let me know if you guys want an update on Instagram if I like them, but I definitely would recommend picking them up if you see them. They're so cute. Great for when you have people over. You can just offer them a cute little hot chocolate if they have kids, or even if it's just you and your friends. It's a really great way to like offer someone a drink if they don't drink alcohol and it's cold outside. It's a really nice little treat for guests. Okay, next for seasonal items, we have the pumpkin cream cheese. This stuff is so delicious. You have to get this. Like I said, mixing it with or putting it on the pumpkin bagel is just a dream come true. If there's nothing else you get seasonal from Trader Joe's this season, just get this and the pumpkin bagels. You will not regret it, I promise you. I picked up this La Colombe coffee. My husband loves these. They sell them, they have them like at his job, and he always talks about these, but I've never tried the pumpkin spice one, so I thought we'd try one. I'll let you know what I think. Let me know in the comments if you tried the pumpkin spice one. I obviously have an espresso, so I buy the pumpkin spice cake Nespresso coffee, but I'm excited to see how this one tastes. And then I also picked up some regular stuff that Trader Joe's has. I've never seen the Creme Fraiche or Creme Fraiche, but I'm excited to try this. I got the strawberries to dip it in here and then put on waffles and stuff. Let me know if you've tried this. Usually you get this when you get like a Belgian waffle when you have brunch or something, and I always love it, so I'm excited to have some at home. Also picked up the 21 seasoning salute. I've heard a lot of people talking about this and I have yet to try it, so I was like, oh, let me grab this while I'm here. But this is not seasonal, you can get this all the time. And then I also picked up this cranberry goat cheese. I love having stuff like this for like charcuterie boards or just as a snack. I love like the sweet and the tangy tartness of a really strong cheese with the sweetness of like some type of fruit with it. So excited for this. Seasonal haul wouldn't be complete without some type of apple cider. I always get the regular apple cider, but I've never seen this one. I think this one is new. It's a honey crisp apple cider, which is different, and this is not from concentrate. It says it's 100% juice. It's just honey crisp apple juice. So really excited to try this. You know what, let's open it up. I love apple juice. Oh my god, guys, that is so good. I know that was gross, but it's just me and my husband. He doesn't mind. Oh my god, that was so delicious. It's not as spicy as the regular apple cider that they have. This one is more apple juicy, but it's so crisp and delicious. It really tastes like a fresh apple. Oh my god, you have to get this. If you see it, grab it. It's so good. I also picked up this butternut squash mac and cheese bites. The regular mac and cheese bites are decent, but I'm really excited to see if the butternut squash ones are like amazing, because normally that sweetness with that saltiness just makes such a difference. So I heard other people say they're really good. I'm excited to try them. I also picked up the pumpkin pancake and waffle mix. I think I'm gonna try making this weekend, and maybe put the creme fraiche on top, or put the cinnamon spread on top. Just you gotta really do it up, okay? You gotta do it up for the season. So I'm really excited to try this. I'm sure you can make other things with it as well. I also picked up, the last time I went to Trader Joe's, I picked up the pumpkin bread and muffin mix. I haven't made it yet, but I also picked this up. And then because I knew that I wanted to make this sometime this weekend, these chocolate chunks. These are the semi-sweet chocolate chip chunks. Really excited to try these, and I think I'm gonna mix them with this pumpkin mix to make like a chocolatey pumpkin little loaf. Really excited to make this. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a spend the day with me baking fall recipe kind of thing. I think that'd be cool, like a little vlog. Let me know if you're interested, because I think I'm gonna make it this weekend. Then the last thing I picked up was these candy pecans. I think these are regular. I'm not sure if they're seasonal, but I felt like these were kind of seasonal, like a little treat. I think mixing this with like a vanilla ice cream would be really nice, or topping it as like a dessert with like the strawberry and the creme fraiche could be really nice as well. So yeah, I'm really excited for this season. I'm trying to just get in the vibe as much as I can. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this haul. I will definitely do more for you. When Christmas comes, let me know if you want to see like a Trader Joe's Christmas haul, and let me know if you want to see more just regular like vlogs, shop with me's, hauls. What is that? Have I been sitting here with a stain on my shirt this whole time? Apologies, I just came from the vet with the dog, and then I went to get Trader Joe's, and I'm a mess. Okay, I've had this makeup on for a long time. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram. Besitos, te amo. Bye.